This Rossman Realty Group Incorporated property video is presented by Scott Blay. Sensational views of river, marina and sunsets from this gorgeous, completely remodeled 16th floor beauty. Over 2,400 square feet, the amazing renovations include wood-look porcelain tile throughout the main areas, remodeled living space adding a den or formal dining space, further opening up the amazing views. The beautiful island kitchen is open and spacious, with white cabinets, quartz tops, custom storage, and Kitchenaid stainless appliances plus a wine and coffee bar. Everything including upgraded lighting, electrical, plumbing, new air handler, WH, and sleek new bathrooms, all done no more than 2 years ago. All sliding doors are impact rated and tinted. New laundry with additional storage. Easy to use whole home security system monitors and alerts you on temperature, moisture, smoke and intrusion. Move right in. This is one of the most beautiful units you'll find in this contemporary high-rise building, situated on the gorgeous grounds of the Landings Yacht, Golf, and Tennis Club. Come see why this community is the best-kept secret and value in Southwest FL. For more information, review the details below or contact Scott Blay at 239-443-1090.